Hi guys, this is Anwar and today in this session we will discuss about what is C. Let's start. C is a general purpose programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in 1972. It means that C is general purpose programming language. General purpose programming language means it is a programming language used in various fields like software development, game development, operating system development, compiler development, etc. And C programming language is created by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories in 1972. It is a very popular language despite being old. So C is very popular programming language because it is very old programming language as well as it is easy to use and learn. Almost every beginners start with C programming language because it is easy to learn, and while learning C we can easily learn any other language like Java, C Sharp, C++ and Python because syntax of all languages almost same like C. C is strongly associated with Unix as it was developed to write the Unix operating system. Next is why learn C. It means why we need to learn C. We can learn another language. So there is following reason why we learn C. It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It means C is very popular programming language in the world because it is very old programming language. Another is it is easy to learn. If you know C, you will have no problem learning other popular programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, C Sharp, etc. as the syntax is similar. It's mean if you know C, it's mean if you already study C, you have no problem to learn Java, Python, C++, C Sharp, etc. programming language because these languages has similar syntax like C. So you can easily learn another language if you know C language. C is very fast compared to other programming languages like Java and Python. C is very versatile. It can be used in both application and technologies. Next one is difference between C and C++. Now we will learn what is the difference between C and C++. C++ was developed as extension of C, and both languages have almost the same syntax. It means if we know C, we can easily learn C++. The main difference between C and C++ is that C++ support classes and object while C does not. It means the main difference between C and C++ is that C++ support classes and objects. It means C++ is object-oriented programming language while C does not support classes and objects. So we can call as C is not object oriented programming language. So guys, I hope you will properly understand what is C, why to learn C, and difference between C and C++. So guys, if you have any query related to this lecture, you can leave a comment in comment box. We will try to solve your query as soon as possible. So guys, if you new here and you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click on bell icon.